I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can fix Scratch not saving your project. Now, for example, here I'm on a project here and I want to click on File and I click on Save Now. You can see Saving Project and project is saved. So what gives? Now, sometimes when Scratch doesn't save your project, there could be two issues. The first one and the most common one is that your internet is having problems, right? So for example, here, if I go to my Wi-Fi and I turn it off, now let's try saving the file. Save Now. You can see it doesn't work. We can still download the file if we'd like, but you can see saving it to the server from scratch doesn't work, right? So let's try turning on my internet back on. You can see now it's back on. Now let's try again. Saving project. Maybe my internet is not back on yet. Let's see, try again. There you go, project saved. Just as easy as that. Sometimes maybe because it's also your browser is having issues, so just try reloading the page. You can see I'll reload my project. Now I can click on save now. Let me try again. There you go, project save. If none of these works, then it's very likely that it's a problem from Scratch's side, right? So maybe their servers is having issues. So in that case, it'll be best just to wait it out. Just wait a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of hours even, and then come back to this and try to save again. But in the meanwhile, you can also just click on save to your computer just to make sure everything is safe. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.